If you want to link a US bank account to your PayPal account, but don't know the exact steps, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Linking your bank account allows you to transfer money, withdraw funds, and make payments easily. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can do it without any confusion. First, go to the PayPal website or open the app and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Wallet section. This is where you manage your payment methods like cards and bank accounts. Now click on the option that says Link a bank account. You will be asked to enter your bank details. For a US bank account, you need to provide the routing number and account number. Make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any errors. After entering the information, click on Link Bank. PayPal will then start the verification process. In most cases, PayPal will send two small deposits, known as micro deposits, to your bank account. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Once you receive the deposits, check your bank statement and note the exact amounts. Then go back to your PayPal account, open the bank account section, and enter those amounts to confirm your account. In some cases, PayPal may offer instant bank verification by logging into your bank securely. If this option is available, you can choose it for faster setup. After verification is complete, your US bank account will be successfully linked and you can start transferring money or withdrawing funds. In short, go to Wallet, add your bank details, verify using micro deposits or instant login, and your bank account will be ready to use with PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.